Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at how to use the ToTop feature in Avada. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use and customize the ToTop feature on your Avada website. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all new Avada videos. Alright, let's dive in. The ToTop feature in Avada kicks in as you scroll, presenting a boxed arrow that allows the user to scroll back to the top of the page. This feature is controlled in the Global Options under Extras, ToTop. The first option allows you to decide on what devices it is used. There is an option for desktop and mobile, just desktop, just mobile, or you can turn it off entirely. Then comes the position. There is left or right, which places it at the bottom of the viewport at the left or the right, or there is left or right floating, which allows you to lift it off the bottom of the screen. In earlier versions this is a fixed amount, but with Avada 7.15 and up, you will also find a bottom and side spacing option. Width allows you to control how far from the left or the right the button is placed, and on floating positions, height controls how far from the bottom the button is placed. After this is a border radius option. You can choose between 0 and 50 here, so you have full control over the shape. Then comes some color options. There is an option for the background color and the background hover color, and the same for the icon color. The last two options are quite interesting. The first of these is the Show Scroll Progress option. What this does is show a progress line around the outside of the button as you scroll down, which lets the user know where they are on the page. This uses the background hover color. And then the last option controls when the ToTop button appears. With it set to the default of yes, it only shows on scroll down, but you can also set it to no, which means it stays there as the page scrolls upwards as well. This can be useful on particularly long pages. Okay, that's the very useful ToTop feature in Avada. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more Avada tutorials and deep dives. And if you have any questions or need help, feel free to create a support ticket. Our team is always ready to help. As always, thank you for choosing Avada.